Why does my heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system have uneven temperatures? Uneven temperatures usually happen because of blocked airflow, poor insulation, leaky ducts, or a system that is not sized right for your home, causing some rooms to feel hot while others stay cold. Think of your home like a set of pipes carrying water. If one pipe gets pinched or has a hole in it, water does not reach the end properly, and that is exactly what happens with air in your ducts. Dirty air filters, closed vents, or furniture blocking airflow can stop air from moving where it needs to go. Also, rooms facing direct sunlight all day, like ones with big west-facing windows, often run hotter than shaded rooms, even with the same airflow. Something most people do not know is that your attic insulation plays a huge role here, since heat rises and escapes through a poorly insulated attic, making upstairs rooms uncomfortable no matter how hard your system works. Another hidden cause is duct leaks, where up to 20 or 30% of air can escape before it even reaches the room, wasting energy and money. Getting a professional duct inspection can reveal exactly where air is escaping or getting blocked. A common mistake is closing vents in unused rooms, thinking it saves energy, but this actually increases pressure in your ductwork and can damage your system over time, so it is better to keep vents open and balanced. Another misconception is blaming the thermostat alone, when really the problem is often airflow or insulation, so before replacing anything, get your ducts and insulation checked first. People also forget to change air filters regularly, and a clogged filter restricts airflow dramatically, so changing it every 1 to 3 months makes a noticeable difference. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, Jobby Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.